The KUANI innovated torque control screwdrivers automatically stop upon meeting the preset torque and are perfect for the high production assembly line, where precise torque accuracy is critical. Transmission. By turning the torque adjustment nut, the torque can be set by adjusting the spring load on the clutch cam. The higher the spring load, the closer the engagement of the clutch and the greater the torque output. The operator gently pushes down to start the tool fastening. The tool automatically shuts off when reaching the preset torque. When the user pushes the tool down, the push rod rises up to push the ball valve and allow air pressure to enter and actuate the screwdriver. Air pressure turns the rotor to create power, which is transmitted through a set of gears to increase the rated torque of the screwdriver. The output shaft turns to fasten the screw to the preset torque. As it is reached, the screwdriver then starts shutting off. The ball lifts over the peak of the cam lobe and depresses the pin actuator. This frees the release pin, which moves downward along the surface of the concave. The push rod then drops to release the shut-off ball valve, stopping the air supply. After removing the workpieces, the shut-off mechanism resets itself. To reverse the tool direction, simply adjust the reverse button. KUANI torque control screwdrivers are designed with an improved and simplified mechanism. The face cam clutch prevents reduced torque caused by the surface wear of moving parts. This durable design ensures long-lasting precision of the torque setting. Together with the automatic shut-off valve and ergonomic handle, KUANI torque control screwdrivers ensure a smooth, stable and precise torque delivery. Adjusting and measuring torque. When adjusting and examining the torque accuracy of screwdrivers, the KTW 150 torque tester is highly recommended. It allows the user to set the target torque and the upper and lower tolerance limits. The green pass light and red NG light straightforwardly show the test results. Life test. At KUANI, we would ensure each of our screwdrivers meet the target tool life requested by our customers. We conduct the life tests on specified fasteners, simulating the application of KUANI screwdrivers in daily use on a fully occupied assembly line. The under-testing screwdriver is in constant use until it fails, and the screwdriver's total working cycles over the life test will be accurately recorded. The programmable joint simulators of the tester enable us to perform standard compliant tests to ensure that KUANI screwdrivers can handle the full range of joint conditions encountered in assembly. Designed for a smooth, stable and precise operation, the torque-controlled screwdrivers made by KUANI is a brand you can trust.